Hello, this is Dhruvin from Taichi Softwares. Ever thought of recovering your lost sales with the help of Facebook Messenger? There has been 7 billion plus conversations over Facebook Messenger since 2017. We have integrated our Abandoned Cart Pro for WooCommerce with Facebook Messenger to recover lost sales resulting out of abandoned carts. In this video, we shall be going through the steps for integrating Facebook Messenger with our plugin. The first question that comes to mind is, how will the Facebook user be captured? The Facebook user will be captured while adding products to cart with the help of a checkbox asking for consent to allow to send order information on Facebook Messenger, like the one shown here. Before we proceed, it is important to have a Facebook page created. A new Facebook page can be created using the Create option at the top of the menu after logging into Facebook, like the one shown here. We created a page called Taichi page for a demonstration purpose. Now let us look at the settings that we'll need to configure Facebook Messenger with our plugin. So here are the settings for configuring Facebook Messenger. The first option is for enabling Facebook Messenger reminders. Using this option, you can enable the checkbox and allow the Facebook users to be captured. The second option is to allow Facebook Messenger checkbox on Add to Cart pop-up model. Then we have the icon size of the user. Multiple options are available like small, medium, large, etc. This basically indicates the icon size of the user, this one. Then we have the consent text that will appear just above the checkbox. Then we have the Facebook page ID, Messenger app ID, Facebook page token and verify token. The Facebook page ID can be found on your particular page like the one shown here. So here you go, expand the See More tab, select About. And there we have multiple options here. And there down we have this page ID. We copy this page ID and paste it in our settings. So now I'm enabling the checkbox also on the pop-up model, and I'm keeping the size to medium. Then we have the Messenger app ID, Facebook page token and verify token. So all these three require a Facebook app to be created. Now let us create an app to get the other information that is needed to complete the setup. To create an app, visit developers.facebook.com like the one shown here. Since I've already created a few apps, it is showing me my apps over here. If you are a new user, it will be showing a screen something like this, where you click on Get Started and then you need to create a Facebook Developers for Facebook account. Click on Next and then you shall be able to create a new app. Since I already have a few apps created, I'll click on My Apps and click on Add New App. So this shows me what shall be the display name of my app. So let's say I'm giving my app name as Taichi app. This is the contact email that should be given. Now I'm creating an app. This should complete the security check. So you shall be redirected to your app page. So here you have your app ID. I will copy this app ID. So just click to copy. Go to our settings page and I'm pasting app ID over here. So here we have our app ID with us. Coming back to our Facebook app, we need to add a Messenger product here. So we click on setup over here and the Messenger product gets added to our app. So here if you see, we have token generation over here. We need to select the new page that we have created right now, the Taichi page for demonstration purpose that was created. On selecting, it will ask for authentication, continue as a user. Click on OK. So here we have the token generation that is needed for our abandoned cart settings. We have copied these settings and we'll paste it over here. So now we have the Facebook page token as well along with us. Next is a verified token. A verified token can be any simple string that can be used as an identifier. Let's say for example I'm using it's a token over here as a sample string for identification purpose. Enter it's a token and click on Save Changes.
So my settings are being saved, and here we have all the settings available with us. Next we have is the setting up of webhook. So for webhook we have a callback URL over here. So we just need to copy this URL, and in our Facebook app just below token generation we have webhooks. So we click on setup webhooks. The callback URL that we just copied, we paste it over here. The verified token will be, it's a token that we just saved in our settings, and then we click on all the checkboxes. Click on verify and save. So once that is done, we have a page to subscribe for our webhook page events. So we select our page, Taichi page, and click on subscribe. So now we have subscribed to our Taichi page and webhooks have been set up. Now we again go to our Facebook page and confirm the connection between the app and the page. So we go to our page, click on settings. Here we have a messenger platform under settings. So we click on messenger platform. So under messenger platform you might be seeing subscribed apps over here. So we have our Taichi app listed over here. So we select share attribution, and that's it. So once that is done, we go to our settings app and just do a refresh. So now if you scroll down over here, you shall be seeing your domains being whitelisted over here. So here we have our domains being whitelisted over here. And now if you visit our product page, since I'm a logged in user, the add to cart pop-up model won't be available right now. So if I go to a product page over here, so I have the consent message over here, and there is a checkbox over here. So once the end users click this checkbox and then click on add to cart, the Facebook user gets captured, and then a message will be sent on Facebook Messenger to these Facebook users to recover your Facebook cards. In this way, you can configure our Abandoned Cart Pro for WooCommerce with Facebook Messenger and recover more revenue.
The app that we just created needs to be made live for us to capture other users. To do that, we again visit our Facebook app, and just below the webhooks we have a section called app review for Messenger. So our app needs pages messaging permissions. So for that we click on add to submission over here. So once that is done, we see our current submission over here. We click on edit details. So once that is done, you see the page selected by default. If the page is not selected by default, click on here and select appropriate page that you have. We have a Taichi page for demonstration purpose. Then we have two options. One is for automated replies, another is for live messaging. We do not have any automated replies as of right now from our plugin, so we will select live messaging. So you might see a screen similar to something like this, which says to describe your experience. You can ignore it. This is optional and can ignore, and can directly click on save. So once that is done, you will receive an approval stating for the current submission. The current status can be seen in app review over here. So once you receive an approval, all the notifications will go in this app review section. So once that is done, you need to make your app live. So before that, you will receive a notification asking for business documents. You need to upload your business documents over there, and then make the app live from here. Once this is done, the app is live and visible for general public. Thanks for watching.